Hey, Drop Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Samsung's latest innovation, the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Thanks to fresh CAD-based renders from OnLeaks, we now have a solid idea of what Samsung's next-gen foldable will look like. And trust me, this one brings some exciting changes. From a slimmer design to a bigger display, improved cameras, and even a new S Pen, there's a lot to talk about. So, let's break down everything we know so far. First off, Samsung has made the Z Fold 7 even thinner. When unfolded, it's just 4.5mm thick, and when closed, it's around 9.5mm, or even slimmer at 9mm without the camera bump. That's 1.1mm thinner than the Z Fold 6 and 0.4mm thinner than the Z Fold 6 SE. While it's not the thinnest foldable on the market, the Oppo Find N5 sits at 4.2mm, and the Honor Magic V3 at 4.4mm. Samsung is closing the gap and making the Fold more compact than ever. Now, let's talk displays. Samsung is increasing screen sizes this year, with the inner display reaching 8.2 inches and the outer screen expanding to 6.5 inches. That's bigger than before, creating a more immersive experience, especially for gaming and multitasking. If these numbers hold true, the Z Fold 7 will have the biggest inner display of any book-style foldable, even beating the Oppo Find N5's 8.12-inch screen. Another exciting change is the wider front screen. Since the first Galaxy Fold, Samsung has worked on making the cover display more practical for one-handed use. Leaked dimensions suggest the Z Fold 7's outer screen will be 11mm wider than its predecessor, making typing, browsing, and everyday tasks far more convenient. Now, here's where things get interesting: the S Pen. Many feared Samsung might remove S Pen support to make the Z Fold 7 slimmer or due to the rumored Z Fold 7 SE variant. But good news. Leaks suggest a new S Pen is being developed just for this model. However, there's a twist. Samsung might remove the digitizer from the display to make the device thinner. This means the new S Pen could have a built-in battery to generate an electric field, similar to the Apple Pencil. Production for this stylus is expected to start in June, right before the Z Fold 7's rumored July launch. Durability is another area where Samsung is stepping up. According to Setsuna Digital, the Z Fold 7 will have a stronger hinge and a redesigned internal structure for smoother folding and increased longevity. We might also see a smaller crease on the inner display, making the tablet experience much better. Now, let's talk cameras. The biggest rumor? A 200-megapixels main sensor. This would be a massive leap from the 50-megapixels sensor on the Z Fold 6, bringing flagship-level photography to Samsung's foldable lineup. If Samsung sticks to last year's camera setup, we can expect 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, 12MP ultra-wide camera with a 120 degrees field of view, 10MP front-facing cover camera, 4MP under-display inner camera. If Samsung decides to keep it under the hood, the Z Fold 7 is set to feature the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the same processor expected in the Galaxy S25 series. This means faster performance and better battery efficiency, improved heat dissipation with a larger vapor chamber, smoother gaming and multitasking. Samsung is also expected to stick with 12GB of RAM and offer 3 storage options: 256GB, 512GB, 1TB. Now, what about battery life? Details are still unclear, but given the Z Fold 6 had a 4400 mAh battery, we expect Samsung to keep a similar size or introduce minor improvements. Faster charging? That's still unknown, but One UI 7.0 could bring better battery optimization to extend usage time. So, when can we expect the Galaxy Z Fold 7? As always, Samsung is likely to launch it in July, following their usual schedule. Production is rumored to start in May, with an official announcement in early July and shipments rolling out in late July or August. Pricing? Reports suggest it will start at $1,899, keeping it in the premium foldable segment alongside rivals like the Oppo Find N5 and Honor Magic V3. So, what do you think? Are these upgrades enough to keep Samsung ahead in the foldable game? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. Also, make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.